people, this is Silver, this is LH. Consider subscribe, like, share and comment. Welcome to another video, and today's video I'm taking you through our farm tour here in the village. Guys, behind me you can see my videos from this farm. This is where we have planted bananas, kales on the other far end. We have also maize. Currently we have planted beans. Let me show you beans. So guys, these beans we planted them almost 2 weeks ago. Now they are establishing, and yeah, the maize we have grown here in our farm is the maize which is yellow in color. You know, here in our country Kenya we call maize. We call this maize. You can see, yeah, we call it maize, but in other countries like US, I know you call it corn, maize corn. Yeah, so these maize stalks can be used for animal feeds, and then this maize, the maize seeds from here, after harvest you can dry them, take to a posho mill. Then what you get, what we call maize flour. Others call it maize flour, depending on where you are taking your education from. So guys, this is the farm tour. I think you are enjoying it, and remember to subscribe, like and share the video. Yes, in our farm also we have some cassava, but we have not planted this cassava. It has just grown by itself, and that one shows that long time before these bananas, maize were planted here, there was cassava. You know, now the remains of those cassava stalks, they are still trying to establish, but nowadays we don't consider growing or farming cassava. Here in our Kisi community, we mostly consider farming banana. As you can see there, that is banana. So I want to show you different varieties of banana. So for example, here the banana you are seeing there, that is a banana called ng'ombe. In our community we call it ng'ombe because it is big, you know, a cow is big in size, and also the banana itself, it's big in size, so we nickname it ng'ombe. So ng'ombe means cow. The way a cow is big, it has a big size, also the banana has a big size. Now we call it cow. In our local language we say ng'ombe because of the size. Behind me we also have another variety of banana, but this one, when it has established, ready to harvest, it is usually, it has a small stalk. Don't know that is the correct way to pronounce it, but usually the size, it is small. Another type of banana, not really a banana, but it looks like a banana. This is another variety, but this one is a sweet banana. Yes, this one is not cooked, it's just kept somewhere to ripe, then it is eaten raw. You are not supposed to cook it. Yeah, and usually it grows tall. You can see this distance, it grows tall like that. So guys, those are the different varieties of bananas that we have grown here in our farm. We normally have 4 types. One type of banana is short, another one is big. Then we have another variety of sweet bananas. One is small, another one is big. The one which is big is the one you have seen there. The small one, already they have not matured, they have not grown, I could have shown you. And the small other sweet bananas. So I want to take you to our tea plantation. Watch down the path. So guys, as you can see behind me, we have grown neighbor grass for cows. Yeah, this is the main feed that we feed our animals. Sometimes we may use maize stalks during harvest of maize. Sometimes we may use banana stalks when there are too much grown banana stalks. So let me show you our tea plantation. So guys, that is our tea plantation. Yes, and that is the only one. So after the tea plantation, this which you see here, after this tree down there is neighbor grass. After the tea plantation, there is neighbor grass below on the other side. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe. That is the only way you can support me. Like, share and comment down below. Till next time, I'm Finn Silva.